In this video, we will be covering how to navigate the Maximizer calendar. The topics include how to change the calendar views, how to add and see another Maximizer user's calendar to your calendar, how to see available meeting locations and resources, how to see your tasks, and how to change your calendar settings. The calendar allows you to view your own appointments and tasks, as well as the appointments of other Maximizer users. Appointments can be presented in daily, weekly, agenda, or monthly formats. To change the calendar view, click on the desired option. The agenda view shows detailed information about each appointment. Click on the subject of an appointment to open the appointment dialog window and make any necessary changes. Clicking the name of the person associated with the appointment takes you to their record in the contact list. The availability view reveals the times during which the person is free. Clicking on an available time will open the appointment dialog window, allowing you to schedule an appointment in that time slot. In the view bar at the top of the page, you can see the specific dates for which appointments are currently displayed. You can select any other day, week, or month to view appointments scheduled during that time frame. Before adding another user's calendar to your Maximizer calendar, ensure that the user has shared their calendar with you. This can be configured by navigating to Preferences and Settings, Advanced Settings, Calendar/Hotlist tab, then Access to Calendar. Set calendar full access to all users if necessary. To incorporate another user's calendar into yours, click Edit List. Select the user whose calendar you wish to view, then click Add. Choose a color to represent this person's calendar, then click OK. Check or uncheck the user's name to display or hide their calendar appointments. Alternatively, you can select their name from the drop-down menu. To view the availability of a location, refer to the Locations section of the calendar. Additional locations are handled by your Maximizer administrator. To check the availability of a resource, view it in the agenda. Any tasks you have scheduled for yourself can be found under the Tasks tab of the calendar page. You can customize your calendar settings from the Settings tab. Set an alarm lead time for any reminders you wish to receive prior to appointments. Under Display Options, you can define your working hours, work week, and other default configurations.